Hi friends, today I brought this Boya M1 mic. I purchased it from Amazon. Let's unbox. You can see how the boxing. Okay, there are some manuals given, so make sure you go through with all the manuals so that you will be able to understand how this can be used. Branding sticker is given by Boya. This leather pouch is given with the Boya mic. Let's see how many more devices are given. They have given a small cushion for mic, and they have given a stick as well. Let me unbox. Let me open this cover. Yeah, the cushion is very nice. Okay, this is a device, Boya device, and this is a cell what they have given it for with the Boya mic. It works on cell, so here you need to insert the cell at this place. Okay. At this place you need to insert your cell. This is how you need to open, and you need to insert a cell and you need to close. Okay, this is a COM port. Okay, as you know, right now all the mobile phones, I mean most of the mobile phones are coming with the C type. So this device has a COM, so it will not suit to my mobile because I have M40 C type, and this is a clip where you can use this one to tag with your shirt. the device is the device is very cool, and the accessory looks very nice, and the pouch is also very good, but it does not if you are having a C type mobile, then it will be not going to use. You need to purchase one more converter which suits to your C, which converts your device, your mobile phone, C type mobile phone to COM. Then you will be able to use this properly. Okay, that's it for a day. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.